Hello, everyone. Well, a chance of rain returns to northwest Indiana today, but it's not a high chance. Tomorrow is definitely looking like the wetter day. Let me show you what I mean. 8 a.m. this morning, still mostly sunny skies across Chicagoland. Nothing to slow you down for the morning commute. The earliest we might start to see some showers is about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Now, I do think the vast majority of us are going to be dry, but I want to mention as early as 2, it's possible you could see a stray shower. At 2 o'clock, probably the better chance a little bit to the west, over in Chicago rather than in northwest Indiana. What about the homebound drive? Here we are at 5 o'clock, and I do think there'll be some rain around, but not a lot. We're talking about isolated showers, so there's a decent chance that you're going to drive in between those showers, but I can't guarantee it. So I do want to mention it is possible. You might have to use the windshield wipers on the drive home, but this is nothing that's going to slow down that homebound commute. And then there's just going to be this period of isolated showers for the evening hours and through the overnight hours. There could be a shower here or there. Let's jump ahead to Wednesday morning, 8 a.m., driving to work. Maybe a little bit more activity than what we're going to see this afternoon, but not much. I still think it's largely isolated activity, and there are going to be gaps, so it still does not look like a slowdown for the morning drive on Wednesday. Now, when things might get slowed down is if you're going to be driving somewhere for lunch on Wednesday. That's looking like the wettest period during the day Wednesday. Here we are at noon, and definitely talking about scattered showers and, yes, some weak thunderstorms. No severe storms to worry about, but a couple of weak storms could be around as well. That said, the activity peaks around noon, it looks like Wednesday, but by 5 o'clock, a lot of the activity out here. And we're probably only talking about stray showers driving home from work Wednesday afternoon. Then I'll leave in a chance for stray showers through the early evening hours, but it does look like by 9 o'clock Wednesday will be completely dry again. So let's finish up talking about temperatures. Now today is going to be one of those days where there's once again a big temperature difference between the northern part of the region and the southern part of the region. Why? Because winds are going to be out of the north today. Now, not much. Winds are probably going to pick up to about 10, 15 miles per hour, but that's just enough where those chilly lake waters are really going to hold down temperatures. So like Michigan City might only see a high of 59 degrees. Again, if you're right next to the lake, it's going to be quite chilly, it looks like. But as you go farther south, it's going to get warmer. 69 for our high in Valparaiso, and if you're in Rensselaer or Kentland, we're talking about highs in the mid-70s today. Tonight, the winds shift, no longer out of the north, more out of the east. So notice how temperatures are largely more uniform. But because we're going to be cooler during the day, closer to the lake, we're also going to be cooler tonight. So largely in the low to mid-50s in the northern part of the region, mid to upper 50s in the southern part of the region. And then tomorrow, again, winds, actually most of the day are probably going to be out of the south, so not as much of a temperature difference. Now, closer to the lake, still a little bit cooler, mid to upper 60s, but I think most of us will be in the low 70s. The winds are going to pick up for tomorrow. Not much wind today, but we will call it breezy for tomorrow afternoon.